all stand. Crystal, can you please go in front and lead us in prayer? Please bow our head. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be your name. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you. Good morning, my dear grade 4 students.
Good morning, Miss Sevilla. We're glad to see you.
I'm also glad to see your beautiful and handsome faces. But before you take your seat, kindly pick up the small pieces of paper and arrange your chair properly. Thank you. You may take your seat. Before we start, let's check your attendance first. Instead of saying present, say the name of your crush. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Cristal Torio,
Francis po.
Christine Tolete.
Brian po.
Thank you. I know who is your crush is, but it's all right. Now, let's have our classroom rules. There are 3 classroom rules. First, listen carefully, raise your hand, and participate. Again, what are the things we need to do during our English time?
Listen, participate, and respect teacher.
Very good. So you need to listen, participate, and respect. Before we proceed to our next lesson, let's have a short recap about our yesterday lesson. What is our lesson yesterday? Yes, Christine?
It's all about count nouns and mass noun, teacher.
Very good. What is count nouns? Christelle?
Teacher, count nouns are nouns that can be counted like room.
Very good. How about mass noun? Christine?
Teacher, the mass nouns are nouns that cannot be counted like can of milk.
Very good. I'm glad that all of you are truly understand our lesson yesterday. Remember, count nouns are nouns that can be counted, while mass nouns are nouns that cannot be counted. Treasure Hunt Leader called me yesterday. There are missing puzzles here located in our classroom. Can you help me to find the missing puzzles?
Yes, teacher.
Alright. They gave us a clue. First clue, on the board there are different words. Boy, girl, cousin, and book. All you need to do is to find the pictures that are accurate in each word. Second clue, destination. You can look in the windows or in the doors. Are you ready, children?
Yes, teacher.
I can hear you.
Yes, teacher.
If you are ready, I will give you 5 minutes. Okay? The time starts now. Who among you have the missing puzzles?
Teacher, I got to
Find one. I find
Okay, can you please go in front and put it on the designated area or board. Very good, children. Based on the game that we played and the puzzles that are created, do you have an idea about our topic today?
Yes, teacher.
What is our topic today? Steph?
About gender nouns, teacher.
Very good. Our topic for today is all about gender of nouns. First, let's have the objectives. At the end of discussion, the pupil should be able to identify the gender of nouns, value the importance of gender nouns, and write the noun described and its gender opposite it. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
1, 2, 3. Eyes on me. 1, 2, 3. If you hear me, copy me. Okay, are you ready, children?
Yes, teacher.
Before before anything else, let's define first the meaning of gender nouns. Gender nouns. Nouns that can be grouped together according to the sex or gender. Did you know that all of you are example of the two classification of gender nouns?
No, teacher.
You are all honest. There are four classification of gender nouns. The masculine gender, the feminine gender, the common gender, and the neuter gender. First is masculine gender. Masculine gender refers to the male. Example, son, brother, and uncle. Again, the masculine gender refers to male or a boy. Can you give me an example of name of a male or a boy? Christine?
Darrell po.
Very good. The boys are the example of a masculine gender. Like your classmates, Darrell, Angelo, Harold, and Lawrence. Now, let's find the feminine gender. Feminine gender refers to the females. Examples, daughter, mother, and aunt. Can you please give me an example of a name of a female or a girl? Yes, Christelle?
Christine, teacher.
Very good. The girls or females here in our classroom are examples of feminine gender. Like Christine, Christelle, and me, your teacher, Miss Mica Sevilla. Next is common gender. Common gender refers either male or female. Again, when we say common gender, it refers either male or boy and female or girl. Examples, cousins and friends. Can you please give me another example?
Teacher.
Yes, Christine?
Student, teacher.
Very good. Students are example of common gender. Another one? Yes, Christelle?
Pupils, teacher.
Very good. Now, let's proceed to the neuter gender. Neuter gender refers neither male or female. They don't have life. Remember, when we say neuter gender, neither male or female, they don't have life. Examples, book. Okay, can you please give me example of neuter gender? Estelle?
Balloon, teacher.
Very good. Another?
Television, teacher.
Very good. The book, the television, and balloons are examples of neuter gender. Do you understand, children?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. And now, to fully know if you understand our lessons, I have some questions that you need to answer. How many classification of gender nouns that we have? Christine?
4, teacher.
Very good. What are the four classification of gender nouns? Christelle?
Masculine gender, teacher. Feminine gender, teacher. Common gender. Neuter gender, teacher.
Very good. We can say that nouns have classification according to its gender. I'm glad that all of you are understand our lesson for today. Now, let's have a group activity to test your collaboration and unity. I will group you into two groups. On my right side will be the group 1 and on my left side will be the group 2. Kindly pick one representative to go in front. Steph, Christine. Now, go to your groups. I will give you 5 minutes to answer the task paper. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Can you please go in front again and give me the task paper. Thank you, group 1 and group 2. Kindly bring your English notebook and answer the following. I will give you 10 minutes to answer the following. Direction: read each sentence Look at the word in italics. Then write its gender on the blank. So this is on answer only. Are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Kindly pass your English notebook here in front. Thank you. For your assignment, please read your book and answer the following on page 100 to 102. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Bye, children.
Goodbye and thank you, Miss Sevilla. See you tomorrow.